Alright, so we were rolling with the Theorem Pearl. Once again, I bought this brand new. Hasn't been really my best ball. I think my best game is like a 240 or something like that. I'll put the layout down in the description for you. That's what it looks like. I got Joe Bowen turbos. I was a big fan of the Theorem Hybrid, so I bought this without even hesitation. I was a little bit disappointed, but we'll see what it can do right now. So it doesn't have that skid and sharpened hockey stick shape that the Hybrid does. The Theorem Hybrid is one of my top 5 balls. This one's okay. It's better for drier conditions. Like, I mean, it is a Pearl, but it just seems more rounder. Alright, let me know if you have the Theorem Pearl. They'll probably come out with the Theorem Solid at the end of this year, I'm guessing. But this ball was a lesson of not to buy a ball when it's brand new before anybody around you has really rolled with it. So when a ball comes out, I wait about a month or two before I buy it. I watch the reviews. I listen to the regular average Joe's bull on it. So this left lane's got some dryness going on down at the end. It's got some pretty sharp hook going on down there. Right lane's okay. So we're dealing with post-league lane conditions right now, so they're pretty dry. We'll see if we can make this work. Put a little bit of speed, a little bit of spin on that. Of course, now it's looking good once I film myself bowl with it. So what I'm going to be doing with my one ball reviews, or one game reviews, sorry, is try to go through all the balls that I have. I have about 6 or 7 left to go, and just kind of demonstrate and showcase each ball that I have. Kind of muscled that one down there at 17 miles an hour. Slow down, son. I do think it's a very beautiful ball, though. I mean, this thing is just absolutely stunning. Track does some really good colors. I like the Criterion Hybrid too. That color is badass. Right down the middle. All right, right down the middle there. It's very hard, very difficult for me to do a one-game review on a lot of my heavy oil balls, my super strong balls, because when I get here, I'm already getting here post-league, so the lanes are already scorched. So a little too much on that. Through the middle on that one. That's 15.3. All right, getting a little more consistent with my spares, which is good. Took it out a little bit wide on that one, came back, nice shape. This ball is actually shaping pretty darn well right now. So I have about 20 games on this ball so far. Touched the surface on it a couple times. Come back on me. Whoa, that's not how I wanted to end the game. If by some miracle I get this. Alright. So we got a 217 here. One game with the Track Theorem Pearl 217. Got one open frame. All right, let me know if you have the Track Theorem Pearl, if you like it, if you plan on getting it. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.